Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make beauty routines feel effortless and luxurious. Today, we're looking at the Too Faced Cloud Crush Whip Lip and Cheek, a creamy multi-use formula designed to give your lips and cheeks a soft focus, long-wear flush. This one comes in the shade 01 Milk and Cookies, a cool nude rose that's meant to complement a variety of skin tones. The Cloud Crush is a liquid formula with a matte finish, offering buildable coverage so you can go from a subtle hint of color to a more pronounced flush. It's enriched with hyaluronic oil, which is intended to provide hydration and maintain a soft, plump look without feeling sticky or heavy. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to slip into a makeup bag or carry for touch-ups throughout the day. When I tried this product, I was immediately impressed by its texture. It has a whipped, airy feel that blends effortlessly on both cheeks and lips. On the cheeks, it spreads smoothly with fingers or a brush, giving a natural skin-like finish that really softens the complexion. On the lips, it feels lightweight and moisturizing, thanks to the hyaluronic oil, yet it still manages to hold a decent color payoff. I tested it through a full day of work, coffee breaks, and a quick lunch, and while it faded slightly on the lips after eating, the cheeks maintained a subtle, fresh flush that didn't settle into fine lines. One of the biggest strengths of the Too Faced Cloud Crush is its versatility. Being able to use the same product on both cheeks and lips simplifies your routine and minimizes the number of products you need to carry. The shade Milk and Cookies is a neutral, flattering tone that's wearable for everyday looks or even for soft, natural glam. On the flip side, because it's a whipped formula, it can take a little patience to build up on darker skin tones for a more vivid effect. Also, if you prefer a completely matte, powder-like finish, this might feel slightly dewy at first touch. In terms of value, this product sits in the mid to high range for multi-use cosmetics. Considering the dual application, quality of the formula, and the long-wear properties on cheeks, I think it's reasonably priced, especially if you're someone who appreciates products that streamline your routine without compromising on performance. Compared to other cream blush lip hybrids, Too Faced stands out for its texture and blendability, though some brands may offer slightly more intense pigmentation for lips alone at a similar price point. The build quality is solid. The applicator allows precise placement, and the whipped formula holds up well without separating or drying out. As for longevity, the cheeks maintain their soft flush throughout the day with minimal fading, while lips may require a quick touch-up after meals, fairly standard for hydrating lip products. If you're exploring alternatives, products like the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush or the Nude Sticks Lip Plus Cheek Balm offer similar multi-use convenience, though with slight differences in texture and finish. Rare Beauty leans a bit more pigmented and velvety, while Nude Sticks is balmier and slightly glossier. Overall, the Too Faced Cloud Crush Whip Lip and Cheek delivers on its promise of a creamy, easy-to-blend, and flattering flush for both lips and cheeks. It's ideal for someone seeking a natural, everyday glow with minimal effort. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Cloud Crush yourself, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for your routine. The link to purchase the product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.